So, you're on exotravel.com and you'd like to access EXO Connect. First, we need to log in. So, we are now logged in to the Agent Hub. Hover over the Agent Hub menu and either click Online Booking or go to the Agent Hub homepage. On the Agent Hub homepage, you will see a section dedicated to EXO Connect. Within here, you can decide whether to view the availability, your statement, your bookings, or your tariff. In this case, we will view the tariff. You only need to pick the country that you want to see the tariff for, and then you will enter EXO Connect on the tariff page. You can then search and view the tariff as normal. Congratulations, you have now accessed and used EXO Connect. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact us on exoconnect@exotravel.com.